Hello folks, this is Sergeant Pearson again. This is going to be my second video. We're going to talk a little bit more about the M17 protective mask. The first video I gave you an introduction to the mask. This video we're going to talk about how to replace the filters. These are air filters, or the gas filters that are inside the mask. M17 has two filters just like these. These are M13A2 chemical biological filters. You can order them online. Yes, they're kind of old, but they were double sealed in the protective packages, so the integrity and all, they really don't degrade over time, but they'll still be purpose for what we're using. I will still trust them as long as the packages are not damaged. Inside you have two filters. Make sure when you get them that they have a green plastic rim around the outside of the filter itself. Okay, to replace the filters are contained into cheek pouches on the left and the right side of the mask. To get to it, you have to take and remove, take the valve cover off, and you have to, there's a couple of studs in here, plastic studs that have to be taken loose to get to the filter. As you can see, I've already removed the right side filter. To do the left side filter, I'm going to step up so you can see. Inside the mask, you see these little plastic studs right here? This is what keeps it closed. On the opposite side, there's two more right here along the side. You have to take and remove those, undo those. They're real simple to get to. You just take and pop them loose and get access to the filter. On the outside of the mask, you have to remove the valve assembly, exposing the filter, the green connector I was talking about a while ago. To take it out, you just take and give the mask a little tip, pull the rubber seal around from the filter, and the filter comes out. Okay, to replace it is a reverse process. Take the mask out of the carrier. Make sure you know which one you're doing. This is the left filter. It's curved and the valve is here. Remember, the little the round side goes down, the flat side goes up. So to install it, you just take and put it inside the pad. It's a little work you have to do to get it in there, but a little effort, a little patience. You can massage it to go in. Once it's in there, you'll see that you have to take and put the rubber rings back around the filter on both sides. As you can see, I'm going to have to adjust this filter just a little bit, make sure it goes in correctly. And there, that part is on. Make sure the rubber seals around the rim of the neck of the filter unit, the green part that I was talking about. Gotta make sure that it closes up correctly. You don't want to have any leaks. And snap the valve cover back on. Now do the right side like we did the left side. Now the thing is about these filters, like I said in the first video, this mask is old. If you buy one from the Army and Navy store, just go ahead and invest in a couple, some more filters, new ones that haven't been opened. If you want to use them and you want to protect yourself, make sure you replace the filters, because you don't know how long the filters were in that mask when you bought it. So go ahead and buy you a new set of filters, take the old ones out and replace them with the new ones. So, all right. In here. Now, the biggest defect is just changing these filters. These filters are not easily changed in a contaminated environment because you cannot hold your breath that long to change the filters out. Newer masks like the M40, which I want to talk about that in another video, was replaced the M17 mask in the 90s, and the filter change I'll show you is way simpler and a whole lot easier. And actually, in a NBC environment, you can actually change the filter while still wearing the mask and continue operations. You just have to hold your breath and put the new unscrew the old filter. Then once the new filter is installed, you clear your mask and then you will continue operations. This mask here, as you can see, it's rather labor intensive replacing these filters. Almost done. That one's on. Be sure to connect the nose bridge on both sides. Okay, good. Alright, as you can see, the filters have been replaced. Alright, next step, we're going to talk about how to put a mask on properly, and I'm going to show you how to put it on, clear it, check the seals, and have a mask operation. So, put the mask on, remove your cover. As you can see, the straps are up out of the way. You want to take and put the mask on. Pull the straps over your head. Good seal. Cover on, the mask is operational. As you can see, that's where we're at. Now I'm going to cut this video off, and I'm going to talk about another video on how to properly put it on, clear it, seal your mask, and continue on.